Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I preserve my fresh tomatoes, especially here in the UK. Something I noticed that fresh tomato in the UK is not the same with the one in Nigeria. Yes, the one in the UK is so watery. Will I call it watery? The water content is so much. So first I added salt to them, and I poured water. The water is pretty hot because of the weather, though not an intentional act, but because of the weather I on hot water I'm using to wash the fresh tomatoes. So after washing, I'll be cutting them one after the other to remove the inside. Yes, both the both the seed and the juice inside. Please, you can use this for your tomato juice. I don't have the recipe on my channel. Feel free to check it out on YouTube. I know there are a lot of tomato juice recipe on YouTube. If you're new to this channel, this is the first time of watching my video, you're welcome to Progressive Recipes. I cook, I bake, I decorate cakes, I do different pastries I know you will all love to see. Please feel free to join this lovely family by only clicking on the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell to be getting alerts of my new video. All you need is a knife, kitchen knife, little spoon, and different bowl. That's all. Cut into two, remove the head, and you use your spoon and scoop out the middle. Yes, somebody will say I am removing every now. What are we eating again? Is it the chaff? My dear, like I said, you can use the seed and the water inside for your tomato juice, but I need to remove this because I can't boil them down. My gas will finish, so I have to remove it. But if it's in Nigeria, I don't remove. I just cut and boil, dry them before I store. So feel free to do this. It's very important. This is a way of preserving your fresh tomato. Yes, if you're a lover of fresh tomato like me, this is a way to preserve yours. So after removing all for it's up to an hour, so you can see that my pot is filled up. So set threads to your heat and cover pretty well and allow to cook. Like I said, I don't want my gas to finish, so at any interval I'll be removing the water. Yes, because though, like I said, if you want to make your tomato juice, please sieve out this water and you will still add it to your tomato juice. So but I'm removing my own because I don't need it right now and I don't want my gas to finish, so I will keep boiling till I'm okay. So when everything is looking as if it's about to start burning, I offed my heat straight to my little processor. So I'll be adding little at a time to blend. Yes, just use your little takeaway and pack all this. It helps a whole lot. Yes, just the same way I am doing this tomato paste is also the same way you can do your tatashi. You call it long pepper or you call it langa. Yes, but that one I remove the seed in the center, boil a little, and you just the same way just do the same thing. Preserve it. Anytime you want to cook, just bring out a little of this, a little of that. You make your stew, you make your jollof rice, you're good to go. So this is the way I will process every. This time the tomato is very soft, so the processor is able to blend it to the way I want. This food processor, so me, I don't like my tomato being pieces, so I don't allow it for a long time. I pour out because I love when I'm making my stew, I let me feel those small chunk, though it's not much here, but I think I'm okay with this. So you can see my tomato paste is ready. Just cover straight to my freezer. If you love this, please like, comment, and feel free to share to your friends and family. I love you. Thanks for watching. Bye.